show that to him, bro?
Yeah, that's my mom.
You show that your sister, man? You playing? That ain't your mama, bro. That's me, boy. You got a beautiful old girl, boy. She could be my sister, goddamn. Good. Well, thank you, Mom. Thank you for giving me a wonderful brother. I fuck with that boy. I fuck with him. You man, yeah, that's my nigga.
I like your song. The one that say they don't want to see me win, they want to see me in the penitentiary. That's my favorite one.
Hey, so that's exactly what they gonna see. What they don't want to see. That's exactly what they gonna see, girl. Saiu pra ver esse sour boy. Saiu pra ver esse sour boy. You feel me? Yeah. That was one people that say that's a Haitian term, that's a Creole term. They like the shit that like all the shit that shit about you that they don't want to see. That's exactly what they gonna see. That's exactly what you want to see.
Yeah.
That's exactly what you want to see, right? You love the glasses, man. They love you too. They love you too, girl. Now. Never been a PJ?
I've never been on a private jet. That's my dream. So I want to get a ride one day.
Well, your dream came true. Y'all wait and gave you a five son, bro. You should be proud. You should be proud to call him your son, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I feel good saying this my dog, bro. Yeah.
My first one.
Oh, that's your first one?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's lit. I feel straight. Like when I got E-Money with me, I'm lit, bro. Yeah. Nah, yeah, you did. If he was a piece of shit, I'd have told him. I'd have told you too. If he was a piece of shit, I would have been like, damn, man, what you push him out your asshole or something? Cause he, you know what I'm saying? But now he good people. Yeah, I hope you're doing better for that. How am I supposed to be? You know what's better? What's better? What's like? How was I before this? The twin truck right now. Yeah. I need that. Y'all just make sure y'all ready for that. Y'all just make sure y'all be ready for that. Y'all just make sure y'all ready for it. Stay ready so you never gotta get ready because I be already ready. Twin Brittany, Queen just Brittany say, yeah, twin, our birthday coming up, what we doing? We doing each other. Yeah. Taylor. Okay, we got Taylor and Brittany on him. And a perfect world, y'all. In a perfect world, man. In a perfect world, Taylor fit. Just almost perfect. Just chill. I'll be perfect in a way. BB too? I'll be BB. You better look crazy. So like, on the way to be up there. Hey, 13-hour spot. I'm on my 13th hour. I don't do exercise, but I just love to know her.
It's gonna be in
That's so shit.
the soda was
If I lose a bet, I bet I'm going for the check. And the price of shooting the dice is looking
Oh shit. It looks like the combobulator.
Yo, you ain't asking to pay my dog, nigga.